Hello, welcome to today's math class. We have this simple exponential challenge 2 to the power of x times 1 all over 2 to the power of 3 equal to 200. How do we solve for the value of x here? When you see a question of this kind or exponential challenge of this kind, there are simple steps to solving this. And so let's go on how to solve this systematically. Okay, so let's take our solution. All right, so from here, look at this 2 to the power of 3 here. Eliminate it. So how do you do that? We go to have here 2 to the power of x times our 1 all over 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 3 equal to 200 times 2 to the power of 3 also. So what happened? This and this leave the system. So we are now left with 2 to the power of x equal to, what is our 2 to the power of 3? That is 8. And 8 times 200 is going to give us our 1600. That is 1,600. Easy. So what we do next here now, can we express this in base 2? No. Since we cannot express this in base 2, so what happened? We can separate this. This could be written as 2 to the power of x equal to our 16 times 100, right? Good. This can be expressed in base 2, right? And this can be expressed in base 10. And so let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to have 2 to the power of x is equals to our 2 to the power of 4. 16 is same thing as 2 to the power of 4. Then times our 10 is same thing as, so 100 is same thing as 10 to the power of 2. So what we do at this point here is just to log both sides of the equation. So we are taking log to base 10. All right, we can equally use ln base e, but let's take log to base 10 this time around. So we have here the log of our 2 to the power of x base 10 equal to the log of our 2 to the power of 4 times 10 to the power of 2, or in bracket, base 10. And we get a something here. Yeah. So what we do here is this. Here we're going to apply the power law of logarithm, and here we're going to apply the multiplication law of logarithm. So what does the power law of logarithm say? It says that if you have the log of, let's take your k to the power of x, then move this power back here. So this is going to give us our x times the log of k. Wow. Now, the multiplication rule says that if you have the log of mn, this is equal to the log of your m plus the log of your n. So we're going to apply these two rules to this equation here. So this is going to give us our x times the log of our 2 base 10 equal to, on this side, we're going to have first the log of our 2 to the power of 4 base 10 plus the log of our 10 to the power of 2 base 10. Wow. So if we apply the power law to these expressions here, so we're going to have here x times the log of our 2 base 10, then equal to our 4 times the log of our 2 base 10 plus our 2 times the log of our 10 base 10. Here we have another rule again, which says that the log of any number or any alphabet base itself is equal to 1. It says that if you have the log of k base k, this is equal to 1. So we are having such here, we are having 10 base 10, which is equivalent to 1. And so 1 times 1 will give us, 1 times 2 will give us 2, right? So we're going to have x times the log of our 2 base 10 equal to 4 times the log of 2 base 10 plus our 2. Easy. So what we do here, we are looking for s. So let's divide through by log 2 base 10. And so we divide both sides here by log 2 base 10. We equally divide this by log 2 base 10. And we equally divide this by log 2 base 10. Check out what we have here now. This will go with this. This will go with this. Easy. And so from here, we're going to have our x is equal to, here we are now left with what? 4. We have just 4 here plus our 2 all over log 2 base 10. So divided by this, add this to this, that will give you around 7 point something. And if you impute it in here, it's going to give you approximate value to this, which is 200 point something, right? An approximate value. So this is the value of our x that actually satisfied the original equation. So this brings us to the end of the simple exponential equation. Thank you for being there all the time. This is Online Maths TV once again. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Thank you for being there all the time. We love you. Bye. Until we see you in our next video. Keep winning.